In this video, I will show you how to replace air filters for Peugeot/Citroen's 1.2 engines VTI or PureTech. Undo this, remove this, and then press this down to pull out from here, this yellow bit. Loosen this dribbly clip. Use a flathead screwdriver. Remove this bolt. Use a 10mm socket. So just like this. I'm gonna undo this bolt and remove it. So the socket size is 10mm. Now it's time to completely pull this out. Remove this hose. Pull the airbox out. Lift it away. Just wiggle it a bit. It will come out. So the airbox will come out. Right. I'm gonna give this a good wash. So it's had a nice shower. It looks like new now, very clean. There was lots of dirt, so I do recommend taking it home and giving it a good wash. Now there's 6 screws that you need to remove. Once you removed it, this is your dirty air filter. This one is very dirty. You can replace it or you can wash it depending which one you got. Inside is very clean now. If this video has helped you, please like and subscribe. Also, please check out my 208 playlist.